Hey, this is David from Rockstar Reviews. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Dyson vacuum. And I love the Dyson. So I've had multiple Dyson products. This is the Dyson V6, as you can see right there. It's different than the V8 of the same model because the V6 is 100 watts, whereas the Dyson V8 is 115 watts. So the Dyson V6 simply has a little bit less power than the V8. But what I love about the Dyson in particular is when you take the Dyson into your hand, there's different layers and elements to it. So first of all, it's cordless and wireless. You charge it right here. This detaches right here and it has different attachments for shorter things like in your car or anything like that. And then you have this max button which kicks it up a notch. So if I take it and I show you an example so you can see there's a few things on the floor right here. You can see that? Gone. That's a mark on the floor. Everything gone. And this is another product I love, the Bellicon. We did a review of that on our channel as well, little rebounder trampoline. But anyways, this Dyson V6 vacuum is incredibly lightweight. The attachments you can attach at the bottom here or right here. So there's a dual attachment, meaning if you want a shorter attachment, you can have that. If you want a longer attachment, you can have that. And you can have different attachments at the end of the long end and different attachments at the end of the short end here. The max button, let me show you for reference. So when I push this button, it lights up. It uses more power. And as you can hear, it's louder, but it uses more power and it just grabs more from the floor, from the environment. So it just, if you're really looking for more suction, that works. So it just pulled up hair and a bunch of little specks on the floor. It works incredibly well. It also works on rugs well. It's not just a hardwood floor. It works on rugs and carpet, tile. It works in the garage. It works, inside, outside. It's just an incredibly versatile product. What I like about it most is that it's lightweight. It's wireless, chargeable wireless right here. The attachments are perfect. And then right here, you just empty this, which is your junk, your stuff that you cleaned up, and you don't need like a bag, and it just empties out. And it works way better than most vacuums. A lot of vacuums, I actually learned this from a friend of mine in Florida who is a kind of a air inspection specialist. He improves the air quality of people in their homes. A lot of vacuums create a lot of suction, and they don't really concentrate that within the vacuum itself, and they actually pollute the environment of the air. So they bring all these dust particles and they just pull them up, and then some gets in the vacuum, but some goes in the air. The Dyson has a very concentrated closed loop system where when I vacuum, you don't see anything in the air, and that's really important for air quality. So I believe this product is better for health and air quality, and it's also just nice because it's wireless, chargeable, container pops open right here, you throw it away in the trash, and then you just charge it and you have your different attachments. It's very simple. I've had multiple Dyson products for multiple years. None of them have broke. They're very high quality, and I highly recommend them. So that's the Dyson V6 review. Once again, the V6 is 15 watts less than the V8, which is a little bit more powerful. So if you want something a little bit more powerful, get the V8. Like if you have dogs, dog hair, that kind of thing, or cat hair, maybe you want the V8. But the V6 will suffice if you don't have animals for the most part. I mean, from what I've seen at least. So anyways, I'll link up the Dyson V6 below on Amazon. If they have any sales, I'll link up that link in particular. And check it out. I think you'll really appreciate it and enjoy it. And I'll see you in the next review. Take care. Bye.